This video will demonstrate how to create citations in NoodleTools. From your project dashboard, click on Works Cited in the Components section, or you can click on Bibliography at the top of the page. Select the type of source you are using. In this example, I am going to cite a database from the Virtual Reference Collection. Click Create Citation. Identify and select the type of source you are citing from the database. In our example, we are citing a magazine. So I'm going to click on Magazine. Fill in the citation form with as much information as you are able to locate. When you click in each box, you will see a pop-up box with information for filling in that field. A red squiggly line means there is an error in the field. In this case, we have nothing in this field, and because there's a red asterisk next to it, it is a required field. But if you have spelling errors or other errors, the line will stay red as you type information in. So check the box for information to help figure out where your mistake is. Depending on the database, information for the citation may be found in various locations on the source page. This database has information at the top of the page. Some databases have citations already created. This database also has that. Be careful because these citations are not always accurate or complete. However, you can use the information in these citations to fill in the citation form. If you are citing a database or a website, you can toggle back and forth between tabs as you fill in the form. In our example, we will first locate the name of the database. And it's here in this citation, Sears Renaissance. As you begin to type in the name, you will see a drop-down box appear under the field. Choose the correct database. We do not have an accession number, so we will leave this box and any other boxes that we do not have information for blank. We most recently accessed this article today. The date is pre-filled when creating a new citation. You may have to change it if you access the article again. We will leave the URL blank. It is not required for MLA 7, and because this is a database and we need a password to access it, the URL will not be helpful in bringing you back to a particular article. Let's fill in the author, article, title page, name of magazine, and publication date. We can get our author information right from the citation, Dan Falk. Let's go back to the top of this page since there was so much information there to help us. Now we need the article title. You can copy and paste between the database and NoodleTools. Just make sure that your information is formatted correctly once you paste it in to NoodleTools. Our page numbers are next. Here we have pages 52 to 57. Let's enter those. The name of our magazine, Astronomy. Let's enter that. And the month of publication and the date of publication. We have a month of July and a year of 2008 for publication. Let's enter that information. July 2008. We can leave the day blank because we don't have a day. If you are required to create an annotation, write a 5 to 7 sentence explanation of how the information in your source will help to support your research in this box here. If your teacher supplies alternate instructions for creating your annotation, follow those instead. Once you are done, click Submit. Here's your citation. When all of your citations are complete, you can export them to a Word document by clicking on the Print Export button and saving the created document to your computer. You can now print out your works cited page and attach it to your assignment.